This is portrait drawing tutorial suitable for anyone above age 15 and all adults. This course teaches you the freehand style, which means if someone is sitting in front of you and posing for you, then you cannot take the help of grid. You should do your portrait study through visual measurement. Freehand is something not a lot of artists teach, so that is what is taught in this course. With my technique, freehand will be very easy for you. This is artist RamyaSadasivam. I have 13 years of practice in portrait study and I have taught my technique in the course. After learning my technique, you will be able to do freehand portrait study from photo and also from life with more confidence. Once after you purchase this course, you will have lifetime access to this course. If you are a beginner, do not worry. This course teaches you everything from the basic, like the structure of the facial features, how to do facial construction, how to achieve realism, and also how to achieve likeness with the character of your interest. After purchasing this course, you can watch and learn the course at your convenient time. You can learn it on your mobile, tab, laptop or desktop. The specialty of the course is I have added 15 portrait drawing demos from photo and 6 demos from life. This course has 20 hours of teaching and 16 hours of demo, which makes it 36 hours of video content. This is the course. Soon after you purchase the course, you will be enrolled here. You can log in and learn whenever you want. This course provides the students with doubt clarification facility too, which means you can get your doubts clarified via mail. These are few of the testimonies we have received so far from our students. Once after you finish the portrait drawing course, you can opt for my portrait painting course in oil medium. You can become a professional artist at the comfort of your home through my courses. If you would like to know more about my portrait drawing course, click on the link in the description section, RamyaSadasivam.com/courses/portrait to know more about the course, and also you can purchase the course on the same page. Thank you for your time.